How to book a hotel in booking.com. Now, in order to book a hotel in booking.com, just simply open either booking.com website or booking.com app. Then after that, you just simply need to search for your desired place where you would like to book a hotel at very first, and after searching for your location, you just simply need to scroll down and look for the places which you would like to book. For example, let me select this place right here. You can select any of the desired place from this page, and after that you need to scroll down again and select the reservations option or book options. I am selecting reserve for 2 nights option from here. Then you can choose for the different options which will be available in different places. Just simply select the option which is most suitable for you. I'm selecting this first saver option, and after that tap to next step. After tapping in there, you just simply need to wait for a while, and then you need to enter guest details. It includes your first name, last name, email address, country or region, and mobile number. Then after that you can check all of these boxes if it helps you. Otherwise it is all optional, you can leave it after reading it. You need to scroll down at the very bottom again. After filling out all of these necessary and extra optional things, you can go to the final step and complete the booking. So this is how you can very easily fill out all of the information, select the room, select the hotel, and book your hotel from booking.com. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.